Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to format SD card or how to format memory card using your Mac operating system, no matter for which types of Mac you are using. You just follow my tips and tricks and very easily format any kind of memory card. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, click here in a launchpad and just simply search here disk utility. You click here in disk utility. Here two storage are comes. One is my hard disk internal and second one is external, and external memory card are showing here. Otherwise you can see here the GoPro, that one is my memory card. Now I want format this memory card. You just simply click here and here some options are available: volume, first add, partition and erase, restore or unmount. So you just simply click here in the erase, and the GoPro, which name is this particular disk, you can change here in the disk name SD underscore sync, and format, you select which types of format you want, select like a DOS format, exFAT, macOS extended, which format you want. So I just simply select here in the exFAT and the erase data. Now erasing all entire SD card, and that one is a very simple. Look at this, use space and free space. Now this external memory card I am formatting using Mac operating system. It's very simple. You can do same process and enjoy. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.